Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to redeem the Roblox gift card on your PC, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your Roblox application. So I'm going to search for it, and here it is, the Roblox player. Simply click on it, and you have to wait until it's open up here. Now you have to do is simply click on this three dot or the more option here. So when you have click on it, you can find the gift cards option here. Then simply click on gift cards, and it will automatically open up the, let me show you, the Roblox website where you can shop the gift card here, and also you can find the redeem card option. But actually they don't have any section or tab or window in application for redeeming the gift card. They only can do is redirect you to the gift card center of Roblox official website. So you can find the redeem card option here. Simply click on redeem card, and you will be able to enter the gift card code that you can find at the back side of that gift card here, or if it's you get it for the as a promo code online, then you can enter that code and simply click on redeem. And that's pretty much easy. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.